Next sound of the letter I is probably the most common. It is the short sound E. The 5 rules for this pronunciation are: 1. It's followed by a consonant in a 2-letter word. Examples: it, in, is. 2. 3-letter words with I in the middle. Examples: lid, fit, zip. 3. When the letter I is followed by 2 consonants. Example: India, mirror, trick. 4. In the suffix ing. Examples: laughing, raining, playing. 5. In the letter combination ixe. Examples: fixes, mixes, sixes. Here's a sentence to practice this sound. The list of his big sixes in this innings is never ending. Can you think of more such sentences? Do type them out in the comment section below.
Silver tongue, we transform lives.